Ay, ikaw naman ah.
Ganyan ang bagay sa kanya na ponytail. Yun ang mga mukha niya, iba.
Wait now.
Na.
Okay, Big Mac.
Big Mac na gana, Dana.
Big Mac first.
Show it in the video that you have the Big Mac. You're very good in eating. Come on.
Sit down.
Smile. Keep open your
Big
mouth.
Mac. Just like in the TV. Just like the bulilit. Ang liit.
Uy.
Come on.
You know, if you don't want to eat, then you become hungry, you know? You don't like to eat. No food in there, okay? No food in the school. Wala ka nag-iiba yung mukha niya. No, ano yung don't kick like that? Otherwise, broken. Let's go pa. Ito muna dito sa chichirya, no? Gawan to ni ate hanggang balinday tang ugalin. Sige, ako wala na yung isa. Yun ang usan. Ito na kaya tumataba ka. Necklace na ano. Ano naman ang nag-uun sa ano. Nagkaroon taga mo. Kaya na, muli ko, banatang ka la. You're very bad now, ha, Tiffany.